Hello and welcome to the White Label series. I'll cover the process of building a white label platform, and reasons for choices I made. We are building the white label solution on top of our software for music publishers, until now available under a single brand, That Green Thing. Linked above is a series about it. But, we can use this solution for other products as well. Both the white label platform and the software for music publishers are proprietary. But, for many examples in this series, we'll use Django Music Publisher, DGT's small free and open source sibling. The difference is that you can have a look at the code of the latter. The link is in the description. Let me start with explaining the roles. Provider is us, we are the only one dealing with tech here, and we support vendors. Vendors have two primary roles: they sell software as a service, under their own brand, and support their clients. We do not really meddle in how vendors sell, but they must be able to create software instances for clients, configure and reconfigure them, especially when clients need more features or specific options. And they need to support them. And this is just scratching the surface, there are many more activities. And each is quite complex. Creating the software instance, just as an example, includes deploying an application container, creating a database, initializing file storage, obtaining certificates, configuring and connecting everything. On the other hand, we, as provider, must be able to upgrade clients' software instances, do regular backups and, if required, restore the data. Of course, we want all of this to be fully automated. Again, just scratching the surface. And, thirdly, we need to create and deliver our interfaces to vendors, and create other accounting data. And we need to deliver similar data to the vendors, so they can do the same for their clients. I'll cover all of it and much more in next episodes. But, let me take a step back and get into whys. Why white label, in the first place? There are two aspects that are important here. One is how music publishing works. I'll not go into it here. 2. I like to talk to a reasonably small number of people and listen to their needs and dreams. And I like to build stuff. And educate, hence these videos. If I chose to proceed under a single brand, I would have to focus more and more on stuff I don't like sales, managing more people, etc. I just don't want to go there. This is also a part of the answer to the second question, why build our own solution? There must be commercial options out there, right? Well, nothing I like. In our case, it would take longer to test various solutions, customize, etc., than to build our own. And it would still not do everything we need. As you will see, we actually use existing solutions as much as possible. With a custom solution, we get exactly what we want. And we want it simple. For vendors to create and configure instances, all they need to do is edit everything in this view. This screenshot looks very similar to the one from the beginning. This is because we use and reuse whatever we can. But, we are not afraid to build from scratch when needed. Or move from one technology to another when the situation is ripe. I must warn you, this series is about technology. But, it is not targeting only techies. Quite the contrary. We'll introduce various technologies and tech providers using simple everyday terms. We'll explain some choices that may seem obvious to techies. And, keep things stupidly simple. Well, a technology solution for a white label software as a service cannot be simple, but its parts mostly can. And, when not, we do our best to offload the complexity to someone else. Here is my series about open source software for end users. And over there is this very series, the next episode is about containers. Below are links to my two channels, Music Metadata with hundreds of videos, and this one, About Tech. Thumbs up, and keep watching.